Alright, Bird PS, Steve Brown here.
What's up, brother?
So apparently they separate the left and right Twix. Apparently they're two different recipes. There's a left Twix and a right Twix, supposedly, and they put two in each one. So you're gonna take one left with your left hand, so remember, so you can remember it's your left hand.
Oh, I didn't even know it said left and right on it. What the?
Yeah, no. Like, it's been out for a while. I just need a second opinion on this.
Yeah.
Alright, so here's the right one.
One apiece?
So put it in your right hand.
Once you're done with them.
So, hold on.
I got the right.
So wait, so we should probably I'll eat the left one, you eat the right one. Or should we do it at the same time? Should we do it at the same time?
Yeah, whatever's good.
I don't know.
Left.
Alright, let's go left. Alright.
Okay. Yeah, eat it, Steve.
This is a left, by the way.
You got zoom on this? Twixes are fucking awesome.
Like a Twix to me. Just like a normal Twix.
Right. I can't wait to see the ending to this.
I'm gonna eat the rest of that later. For time purposes, you ready for the right one?
Yeah.
Use official right Twix. Alright.
Are you eating it with your right hand or you have to?
It
doesn't matter what hand you're eating it from?
No, because so I can keep track for him. So
Cheers, dude.
Cheers, alright.
Cheers. Twix.
Oh.
What the so what is it?
The only thing?
I feel like the chocolate might be a little like smoother on the right.
You think the chocolate's smoother on the right?
It's supposed to taste different? I don't get it.
Suppose so. If nobody cares about germs, you can have a third opinion, but I already bit half of it. I don't know, the cookies look the same, right? The cookies
There's something different about the right.
You think something different? I don't know, it's a little different, but I don't know what it is.
Like the caramel or chocolate is different. There's something different here.
Get the fuck out of here.
I'm telling you, dude.
It's only a little different, but I kind of think it's a mind fuck.
Okay.
But I don't know, but...
What is this, the left one?
Left. This is right.
Okay. So it's just supposed to taste different. Is that what you're telling me?
You're supposed to try.
They're trying to say this whole time. The whole time, the original package, one was different from the other. That's what they're trying to say this whole time. And they separate it for feudal things.
Get this dude on camera.
Strange is the right one, too.
Classic.
If no one cares about germs, you want to take the last one? I don't know.
Yeah.
This is the right one.
This is the left one.
This is the right one.
If I load this and shoot you, you'll taste it different. The difference lies in getting shot with a fucking pellet. Take a pellet.
Okay. This is the left one I have. I'm eating.
Taste the difference.
The one baby is the right one. The one
right's
not.
different. But who says the right's different? It could be the left is different. Depends if you had the right or left.
There's something a little different about it. I can't put it on. Maybe it is more caramel.
No, this is the right.
Yeah, there's more caramel, or like the chocolate is a higher, like more milk chocolate.
I think the cookie's the same. It might be something with the caramel. I'm thinking the cookie's the same. You taste anything different?
No.
No, not at all?
I don't taste anything different. Tastes like a Twix.
You want to see any difference between the left and right? I forget what the one that one was. I'm not eating that.
That's right.
Yeah. Here we go.
Heaves,
Anyway.
what do you think, Heaves?
I could give a fuck less, to be honest.
You're an ass.
Anyway, well, take the Twix challenge yourself. I believe the right maybe have them. I think as someone who's been in the world of foods, I think it tastes a little more caramelly. What's your opinion on
Stevie?
the right one?
It's like Anthony Bourdain's ass crack.
Anyway.
Nah, man, definitely right. Seems like it's different. Probably not.
It slightly tastes like death.
Yeah.
It tastes like...
I thought they tasted the same.
All right, well,
down.
take the Twix challenge yourself. Get the left one and the right one.
They're great.
And I don't know, we gotta figure this one out.
I think he's just trying to avoid it.
backflip, baby.
Uh-huh.
I moved it.
There.
Thought it was like that.
Sorry,
I can't see it.
What?